Well, good day, smart traders, and welcome to another weekly market review. My name is Francois. I'm the senior analyst and trading specialist here at Smart Online Trader. I've been in the financial industry now for an excess of 7 years, and I'm also a licensed FSCA financial advisor and trader. So let's get into the market. But before we do this, kindly just familiarize yourself with the risk disclosure currently on your screen, bearing in mind that everything we will be sharing during this video is purely my opinion of the market and should not be taken as financial advice. That being said, let's get going. Let's have a look at what happened during this week. So starting things off, this week we had a lot of disappointing news from an economic point of view. We had the the Great British PMI coming out negative. We had the Canadian interest rate coming out below what we expected. So we obviously expected a 4% interest rate. So that was a 75 basis point increase, and we only got a 50 basis point increase. Crude oil inventories also didn't quite come out as expected. The only thing that did come out as expected during this week was the ECB interest rate. So that is our Eurozone, which had that 75 basis point jump exactly as we forecasted. So what can we expect going into the week ahead? So we have a super busy week planned, and there is so much happening this week from an economic point of view. We are kicking the week off on Tuesday with the Australian interest rate decision. Then on the same day, we have the US manufacturing PMI coming out. On Wednesday, we have the ADP non-farm employment change. And if you guys remember from last month, this is going to be a key report during this week. We also, on Wednesday, just to make things even better, we have the US interest rate decision, which is currently forecasted to have a 75 basis point jump, but we're going to have to wait and see what happens with that one specifically there. Then we also have the Great British Pound interest rate decision, which is also forecasted for a 75 basis point jump. And then finishing off our super busy week is the big daddy of all reports, which is the non-farm payroll. So that is the US employment report that will take us out for this week on Friday. Getting into just having a look at what the markets did during this week. So the dollar weakened during the early parts of the week, started to show strength a little bit around Thursday and Friday, but still ended the week 1% down. This obviously did not help the South African ZAR much. So even though the dollar did weaken due to other economic factors, the ZAR still dropped 0.4% for the week. We also had massive drops in tech stocks this week with Meta, so that is Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, etc., dropping more than 29% for the week, and then finishing off with a share price of less than $100. We also had a massive drop in Amazon stocks, with Amazon dropping more than 20%. However, looking at the stock market though, looking here at US 30, so this is our Dow Jones Industrial Average Index, obviously not phased by tech stocks whatsoever, having a massive, super bullish week and finishing off the week with a massive increase of 5.8% in comparison with the other US indices such as Nasdaq 100, which only had a 2% gain, and the S&P 500 that only showed 4% gains for the week. We can also have a look here at gold. So even though the dollar did weaken, gold also had a very unfortunate week, with the middle part of the week showing great promise, but still finishing the week 0.4% down. Oil, on the other hand, had a super bullish week, finding great support here on this level just above our channel, and crude oil finishing off the week 4% up. Traders, that's it for this video. That is the market review. Should you guys want to get in touch with us, knowing more about the services that we offer, kindly do so. Our information is on your screen at the moment. It's also in the description below. So as always, may the force be with you. Cheers.